Carl Heinrich Marx. Date of birth May 5, 1818. Place of birth Dear Kingdom of Prussia. March 14, 1830. Karl Marx is one of the most influential philosophers, economists, and political thinkers in world history. He is known as the father of scientific communism and the author of monumental works such as the Communist Manifesto and Das Kapital. Marx sought change the way people viewed capitalism, social class, and economic struggle. Early life and family background. Karl Marx was born into a middle-class family. His father, Heinrich Marx, was a lawyer who was originally Jewish but converted to Protestantism to avoid discrimination under Prussian rule. His mother, Henriette Pressburg, came from a wealthy Dutch Jewish family. From childhood, Marx grew up in an environment that valued education, intellect, and political debate.
Marx received his early education at the Friedrich Wilhelm Gymnasium in Trier. He then went on to the University of Bonn 1835, but was soon transferred by his father to the University of Berlin due to his messy lifestyle. In Berlin, he studied philosophy and was strongly influenced by the thought of Hegel. He completed his doctorate in philosophy from the University of Jena in 1841. Marx began working as a journalist at the newspaper Rheine Zeitung in Cologne, where he wrote social and political criticism. However, due to his radical views, the newspaper was banned by the government. In 1843, Marx moved to Paris and began to associate with radical socialists. There he met Friedrich Engels, who became his lifelong collaborator. Karl Marx's achievement is to write monumental works entitled The Communist Manifesto 1848 and Das Kapital 1867. He is also known for his revolutionary thinking, which introduced the theory of historical materialism, that historical change is determined by class conflict and economic structure. Marx was also actively involved in the founding of the first International Working Men's Association, which became the forerunner of the international labor movement. Later life, Karl Marx spent the rest of his life in London in difficult financial circumstances. He continued to write and conduct research, but deteriorating health slowed his productivity. He died in 1883 and was buried in Highgate Cemetery, London. To this day, Marx talks are still taught on campuses as part of critical studies of capitalism and social inequality.
Karl Marx is an important figure in the history of modern thought. With his incisive analysis of the capital system and class struggle, he created a foundation of social and political theory that is still relevant today. His legacy transcends ideology. He has become a symbol of critique of injustice and inspiration for liberty movement around the world.